Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning podcast. My name is Anna.
And I'm David. We're very happy to learn English with you today.
Today's topic is Tell me about your job in English.
Yes, this is easy English practice for beginners.
If you enjoy learning with us, please like, share, and subscribe.
Your support helps us a lot. Thank you.
Topic 1. Introduction. What is a job? David, what is a job?
Good question. A job is the work you do to earn money.
For example, teacher, student, doctor, driver, or shop assistant.
Very good. Let's practice together. Repeat, job.
Job. Great job. Topic 2. Key question. What do you do?
Now let's learn an important question.
What do you do?
Repeat, what do you do?
Great. This question means, what is your job? Simple answers. Basic job sentences.
Now let's practice some easy answers.
You can say, I am a teacher.
Repeat, I am a teacher.
Good job.
Other examples, I am a student. I am a doctor. I am a driver. I am a shop assistant.
Let's repeat together. I am a student.
Great.
Topic 3. Sample conversation. Real English practice.
Now let's listen to a simple conversation.
Okay.
Hi, Anna. What do you do?
I am a student. I study English.
Nice. Where do you work?
I work at a school.
Great job. Now let's switch roles.
Okay.
Hi, Anna. What do you do?
I am a student. I study English.
Very good. Keep going.
Topic 4. Key phrases. Simple daily work sentences.
Now let's learn some easy work sentences.
Repeat after me.
I work in an office.
I work in a shop.
I work at a school.
I work at home.
Great job. Let's make a simple example.
Okay.
I am a shop assistant. I work in a small shop. I sell food. My quick lunch is a banana.
Nice example. Simple and clear.
Let's practice. I am a doctor. I work in a hospital.
Great job.
Now let's review.
Question. What do you do?
Answer. I am blank.
Question. Where do you work?
Answer. I work at/in blank.
Excellent. You're doing great. Topic 5. Review and community question.
Today, we learned how to talk about your job in English.
You practiced simple sentences and real conversation.
Great work today. Keep practicing every day.
Now, our community question. What do you do? What is your job?
Write your answer in the comments.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
See you next time.
Bye-bye. Happy learning!